But if you can create for your own family and for your own environment, you can create something that is really good for the planet, for yourself, for your family.
Yeah.
And if you have a healthy soil, and then you put your hands into the soil, you will become healthier yourself because the soil is full of microorganisms. And as it turns out, they're starting to get more and more research that proves this, that most of the diseases from our modern time, like diabetes, cancer, all of these things are related to the health of our gut. So, whereas if you literally just by digging your hands in the soil, you work in your garden, your skin absorbs the microorganisms and you will feel instantly, you will feel better,
Mm.
healthier. So, yeah, these are all things that have a huge impact.
On our mental and physical health. Wow, thank you for that.